already provision. Not only are they having to pay their settlements with personal income tax every single year, they cannot deduct their tax fees. It is a provision for the 2017 Trump tax. So we don't want to get caught in that. We feel like we deserve better, and we know
Perfect!
from Congress to actually just get back home and rebuild. We also have to rebuild back in a way that's far more resilient. We cannot just continue to
Hadin live as a shirkat nga nakarbat o gur na pam for to review juday ang wa pa kasway paano ay muda di ba paano ay mo lagi ko nagasokal di papa how's your day?
Okay.
When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Started out kind of dark.
Okay, let's sing. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know what you do. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Wow, perfect! O, diba? Asokal de papa, es masonoren. Good morning, everyone. So, kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Diba panuway na lagi mo gasokal di papa kung na problema sa iyong bana. Oyab, o diba? Asokal di papa is the key. Char lang. Ala, nasa nagluto diri ano na magiluto uy. After lo, milagro lagi naligo na ka. Alam ka ay mga kaasol. Uy. Ay mga kaasol nagluto ko. Kung na naluto mo sa yuti uy gyud sa. Naglahi mo sa iyo sudon. Uy, nasa tama Jimbo din nahugas ana na paghugas. Ang sama maghugas bilay. Hello, no, din na siyo. For today video daray. So man na brand out karon mga kachupanes, derita. Atong kalingawan ni mga OATs diri. Aray, mga ko ano, patotoye. Ang wa pa kasuway del. Panuway na. Mana sila topi-topi na sila dira. Mana man sila diri gumasa gabi Diri na lang apart og didto. Patotoye lo. Unsa man na imong topi del? Mura man nagka mura na ka nang kita ka ng bagol nga gikulob. Ala, nako dito. Ala. Muna sila. Mga ors. Ano lang. Mga alalats. Uy, Ramon! Napaopak. So, pa dyan man ang atong kuan masa diri ay. Dira na po sila magmasa. Mga sila guys.
People have been
Wanna dance?
already for
Wanna
years.
dance?
Not only are they having to claim their settlements with personal income tax every single year, they cannot deduct their tax fees. It is a provision of that 2017 Trump tax bill. So we don't want to get caught in that. We feel like we deserve better, and we know we've
Wow,
done the work.
perfect!
Fire survivors and disaster survivors around the country have been waiting for years for relief from Congress to actually just get back home and rebuild. We also have to rebuild back in a way that's far more resilient. We cannot just continue to rebuild back the way that we burned down or that we were affected by major hurricanes. We can do better.
And after the hurricanes of Helene and Milton, we did see that FEMA was drawn into some of these political fights. Have you seen that impact how much
Wow,
support disaster
perfect!
relief legislation is getting in Capitol?
Nga pa mo. Wala siya. Ang wa pa kasuway. Paano ay? Puama, oy, mo. Paano ay ka? Why you barking? Why are you barking? Arp ko no. You said arp. Why are you barking? Yeah, it's okay. Arp. Arp. Just different ko no lagi ko no. Hello, no, nandiyan. When you're happy and you know and clap your hand. When you're happy and you know and clap your hands. When you're happy and you know what you do. When you're happy and you know and clap your hands. Wow! Bakpak lagi siya, ma'am. Hola! Hola, magjong na! John number. Unsa man? Charge. Oh, dira oh. Patlak lang. Hello. Ano, hindi na siya pag-mop. Pero, abli lang na. Yan na ba, push back. Oh, na. Olo, nasa lagi gwapo diri ay. Olo. Ala! Suspik. Uy, patotoya na. Umana sila, guys. So, sila mandabaw na sila later. So, nangaon sa sila pamahaw. Balag burn out laban lang taani for today's video. Oh, giligo na niya. Kikiro Kangaroo ang among motor. Mao na siya, guys. Kikiro Kangaroo. Yan ang giliga tong Elevate Sound Arch. Oh, diba? Mag-motor wash sa niya ko, oy. Nya, sexy kuno high off ba? So, mga ni diri burn out tayo, no. Pero may ganin natay ko ang diri dai generator dai na, wa pa dai. Oh, mga na ako mother dai. Oh, heavy ka, Olympiada dai. Oh. Mga na dai, ang akong asukal di papa. My daddy na, my lolo pa, my baby pa. Fly by one day one. Oh, di ba? To, N1 plus 1, happy ka arawan. Oy, ang mga makasuway, panuway na. Og follow sa akong Facebook. And follow me to my Facebook and TikTok and subscribe my YouTube channel. So, ang mga pakasuway, panuway? Mara to siya for today's video. Kay balik na sa kuonyag video. So, atang-atang